Covid-19 vaccination was rolled out last year with the most vulnerable communities in collaboration with various agencies. Residents are now grateful that they have access to the vaccines without any challenges. They did us well to protect us from the deadly disease, because it would be bad if I got infected and got admitted. Being vaccinated is definitely better. I thank the government for making the vaccines more accessible, because now we don't have to trek long distances to go get them. Young people and the youth contributed to the deployment of these vaccines across and in a timely manner, and they continue to be part of this initiative. Since this site was established, we've worked together, and I'm grateful that I played a role in helping the country fight against the pandemic. Vaccination sites have been established across markets and bus parks in collaboration with health centers and local authorities, while utilizing technology to help in data storage. We work with local authorities and cell leaders and other people, which has helped us reach out to so many people as well as vaccinate them. Residents have embraced this activity because it doesn't require them to make long journeys to get vaccinated, and this has made them happy. Health Minister Dr. Daniel Ngamije says that while a lot has been achieved that gives hope of targets being achieved, there are still some people that are still deliberately not getting vaccinated, and that the government will continue to sensitize them of the importance of being vaccinated.
I think it's a matter of education, convincing, and they should themselves cross-check around and be aware of what we are saying. As I said, if you compare what happened at the time we were with very low vaccination rate in January last year, a lot of people hospitalized in very severe conditions, compared to what we are seeing today. It should inform people that we have advantages of being vaccinated. Nothing is new, for sure. Right. So people should just be informed. They should not be misled by those bringing rumors, confusing people. In Europe, people are vaccinated for flu every year. So it can happen in Africa that having people vaccinated for COVID more than 2 times, 3 times, it can happen. Nothing is new. There is nothing in relation with the end of the world, etc., etc.
Vaccination activities began in March last year. 6 months later, in September, 687,111 people had already been given 2 doses of the vaccine. 3 months later, on the first day of January, the total number of those that had received both doses was 5,503,486 people. 195,813 people had also received the booster shot then. On the 13th day of January this year, the total number of those that had received the first dose of the vaccine was 7,851,445, equivalent to 86.6% of those eligible for the vaccine, and 6,030,321 had received 2 doses of the vaccine, equivalent to 66.5%. The government's goal is to ensure that by June, 70% of all Rwandans who are eligible will have been vaccinated. Reporting for RTV News, Gloria Mutesi.